This is the reason I use CH3 in diabetic. It's the reason I use CH3 in a lot of things. But you put a CH3 in a specific condition, you kill. You see, if you redesign it, redefine it, it's very simple. You have 1, 12, 14, 16. You have 1, 1, 1, 12. Now you can see the pattern. But if you look at the real structure, this fits with this, and this fits with that, and in the process they create a balance field. Round about 56. And then when it links up, does it need to link up with iron? Or does it behave and mimics the balance of it? Because there is a secret in the whole creation of CH3, the way we produce it. I've said that before. There's an iron in the middle, alloys, alloy materials on the side, zinc, nickel, whatever. This is alloy because the field strength in it can create a binding. So when you put your copper here, nano coated, to make your GANs of CH3, the carbon energy release confirmation from interaction from the environment is the zinc mixture with the copper. That gives you your carbon. Then you have a problem. Then your problem sits with the iron. 56, 57, 59, 60. That is your H3. But it's the field which has created it. So what it does, your CH3 is the gravitational magnetic field orientation of iron. So when you put it with the amino acid, you have already have a common denominator in the field strength, that when it's created the field here in its interaction, you have amino acid which is balanced with the iron, and in being a balance, iron feeds itself, does not need to kill for it. Because don't forget, your carbon has a gravitational magnetic field strength of the copper in conjunction gravitational magnetic field of zinc. So it's directly connected to your muscles and to your nerve. And now you produce a condition that it connects to the iron. Is complete. You have every connection you need. You touch the soul of the man, you touch the physicality of the man. You bring a balance in energy transfer between them. what we call matter state plasma and the field state of the matter. Complete, is so complete, but none of you have understood this yet. That man doesn't need to kill. But this apparatus still needs a few bits to be added to it, that the man or the animal stops altogether. This CH3 elevates the soul of the animal. This CH3 elevates the physicality of the energy of it. This CH3 connects to the blood of the man through his eye. It has everything. I've given the biggest gift to mankind to walk away from killing. I will show how it works. You all made CH3 but never understand what gift you have in your hand. You connect this CH3 with the amino acid of it. My God, do you need to kill? I just need another 6-12 months. I'll enforce peace. Through the technology, man will never know what has happened to it. There's a lot more here missing. But as I said, we start teaching the basic foundation of the knowledge. Now you understand why I introduce different ways of things to be done. You're after the Maghreb, after the soul of the man.